The rapid advancement in artificial intelligence and automation are transforming the accounting profession. This video explores the exciting possibilities and potential challenges that these technologies present for the future of accounting. Hi there, and welcome to Accounting with Naomi. In today's video, we are going to look at the future of accounting in terms of AI and automation. Please make sure you like this video, make sure you share the link with somebody, make sure you comment on the comment section, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe as we are on our road to 10,000 subscribers. And most importantly, also do join the membership and become part of the family. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the future of accounting, AI, and automation. The rise of AI in accounting. Whether we like it or not, technology and advancements in technology affect every profession, and this includes accounting profession. AI powered software can automate routine tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and reconciliation, freeing up accountants to focus on higher level tasks. AI algorithm can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies, helping accountants detect fraud and make informed business decisions. AI can also personalize client experiences, providing customized insights and recommendations based on individual needs. The impact on accounting profession. As we all know, as technology continues to develop and the introduction of AI systems, this will definitely have an impact on the accounting profession. But how so? While automation may lead to job displacement for some, it will also create new opportunities in areas like data analysis, AI implementations, and compliance. Accountants need to adapt and develop new skills such as data literacy and AI understanding to stay competitive in the evolving job market. The demand for specialized expertise in areas like AI driven financial focusing and risk management will increase. The future of accounting. Now, after understanding the rise of AI systems in accounting and the impact it has in the accounting profession, where does this then take us? AI will continue to evolve, becoming even more sophisticated and integrated into accounting processes. We can expect to see new AI powered tools and services emerge, further transforming the accounting landscape. The accounting profession is poised to become more data driven and analytical, with AI playing a crucial role in driving insight and efficiency. Ethical considerations. Now, as we talk about the introduction of AI systems in accounting, as well as the impact it has on the accounting profession, we cannot leave how does this impact the ethical considerations. The use of AI raises ethical questions about data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the potential for misuse. It's important to ensure that AI systems are designed and implemented responsibly to prevent unintended consequences. The accounting profession needs to develop guidelines and best practices for the ethical AI use in accounting. That's the only way we can navigate well with the AI tools and systems. Navigating the change. How then can we bring it all together? Accountants and businesses need to embrace the change and explore opportunities for AI adoption. Continuous learning and upskilling are essential to stay ahead of technological curve. By embracing AI and automation, the accounting profession can unlock its full potential, driving efficiency, innovation, and most importantly, growth. The use and impact of AI cannot be undermined on the growth and the future of accounting profession. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this long. Don't forget to like, comment, share this link, and subscribe. And most importantly, do join the membership and become part of our accounting family. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.